Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So how you can fix problem with creating your account on Facebook. So for fixing it, first thing you need to try just close your Facebook and open it again. And also you need to open the settings, just try to turn off Wi-Fi, turn it on, after just go to mobile data, turn off mobile data and turn on again. Also do it with airplane, turn on airplane mode, wait a second and just turn it off. So after just go to the general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help, if you still have the server, so just try to update your iOS. So just go to the general, just tap on software update, just wait until it will check for updates, and if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully install the latest updates for your iOS. So this is the way how you can also do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.